Hi, welcome to GTech Techno Solution Private Limited. Today we are going to discuss problems on clock. Before discussing the problems about clock, we have to know certain terms. Minute spaces. What is meant by minute spaces? Well, you can see over here the face or the dial of a watch. It is in circle shape, whose circumference can be divided into 60 equal parts, and it is known as minute spaces. Next, we have our hour hand and minute hand. Every watch will have two hands. One, the small, and the other quite large. The small one is known as your hour hand, and the longer one is known as your minute hand. Moving on, we have some important formulas which we have to know. In 60 minutes, a minute hand gains 55 minutes more than your hour hand. That is, your minute hand will gain 55 minutes more than your hour hand in 60 minutes, that is in an hour. In every hour, if you see, both hands will coincide once. The hands are in a straight line when they are in coincident, or when they are opposite to each other. When the two hands are at right angles, they are 15 minute spaces apart. As you can see, they are 15 minute spaces apart over here if your hands are at right angles. If the hands are in opposite directions, then they are 30 minute spaces apart. An angle traced by an hour hand in 12 hours will be 360 degrees. That is, your hour hand will trace 360 degrees in 12 hours, and similarly your minute hand will trace 360 degrees in 60 minutes. If you see over here, you have a watch that is showing 8. If the watch is running 15 minutes fast, then it will show 8:15. On the other hand, if it shows 7:45, when the correct time is 8, then it is said that it is 15 minutes space slow. Let us see our first interesting problem over here. We have to find how many times in a day the hands of the clock will be straight. We have our options over here as A. 22, B. 24, C. 44 and D. 48. Let us see how to solve this. In 12 halves, the hands will either coincide or will be in opposite direction 22 times. So, obviously, in 24 hours, that is, a day has 24 hours, the hands will coincide or they'll be in opposite direction 44 times. Hence, your option C, 44, is your answer. Moving on to our next interesting example over here, we have to find how many times the hands of a clock will coincide in a day. Our options are A. 20, B. 22, C. 24 and D. 21. Let us see how to solve this. If you see over here, between 11 and 1, the hands of the clock will coincide exactly at 12. Similarly, the hands of the clock will coincide 11 times in every 12 hours. So, your hands will overlap for about every 65 minutes and not every 60 minutes. So totally, your hands will coincide 22 times a day, as given over here. At 12 and 1-5, 2-11, 3-16, 4-22, 5-27, 6-33, 7-38, 8-44, 9-49 and 10-55. Similarly, in your post meridian as well. Hence, option B,